Hey everyone, welcome back. If you see a network or connection error in the Walmart app, first check your internet connection. Then go ahead and try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test your connection. Then turn airplane mode on for a few seconds. Then turn it off to refresh your network. After that, restart your router if you are using Wi-Fi. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Walmart, swipe it completely, closing it, and then wait for a few while, then reopen it. Next, disable any VPN or proxy services temporarily as they may interfere with app connectivity. If the issue continues, wait for a few minutes and try again in case there is a temporary service disruption. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.